Hello, so today I'm gonna be unboxing or showing to you what's in an Abeka second grade child kit. So it comes with 24 books and we just received it in the mail, so I'm gonna open it up and show you and make a quick flip through on each book. When you order this kit, you have an option to get bound or unbound books, and I always choose the unbound because I like to bind it myself and group them by quarter and mix it with other subjects. Sorry for the baby, but last year I attempted the crate method. I had like 170 folders and I had like lessons for each folder, but I didn't think that worked very well. It's like a lot of work. So this year I am switching to a binding method, which I bought a binder from Amazon. This is the manual one. It's like $120. And I think that's better because it groups the subjects per quarter, and it's easier to not get lost. So here's the first book. There's supposed to be 24 books. This is number 2, Health, Safety, and Manners, Reader 2. So the ones that I can flip through are actually the readers. So they always come bound. The one that are unbound are the consumables. So they are like wrapped in a plastic. But I can't flip them through because they're still in plastic, but they're unbound. So those are the like seat works, a test that I could like bind for each kid. This is really thick. Number 5. Oh no, never mind. Number 5 is speed drills. 5. This is unbound and unbound. Number 5. Number 6. Arithmetic 2. Number 6. Number 7. Phonics 2. Portrait mode. Number 7. Number 8. Writing tablet. Number 8. Number 9. Skill sheet. This unbound. It's unbound. Number 9. Oh, number 10. I need this one. Portrait. Number 10. Number 11. Phonics test. 11. 12. Phonics language. So these are the readers. It comes with 12 and 2 of those are already in first grade. The handbook for reading and the primary Bible reader, 13. And the rest are the second grade books, readers. 13. So there's 10 of the readers, and then if you can see this one, the handbook for reading is already, they had that when they're in first grade, and this primary Bible reader in first grade. 17, 18. Put it back. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We'll put this in our school planner. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.